Hi, this is our car. This is Ian and his daddy. Oh, and this is our park day. And here is a little lake, and it looks really beautiful right now. Hi, Ian. Hi. Ian. Ian, can you watch him?
Oh. That way. That way.
It is really green. That's my dad. Look, let's go see some ducks. It's really nice here right now. Oh, that looks like a seagull. I'm not sure, but I have seen some next to my work. Maybe because they had a reservoir in Nampa. Hey, that's my little man and my big man. Well, the sky is really blue. You can see the cloud, and then the park is pretty deep further in, so we're going to take a nice walk. First, get on the bridge. Should we bring him the stroller? Okay.